Greetings, students, and welcome to the 8th in a series of brief videos on preparing the lab report. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the sources of error paragraph, which is the third subsection within the discussion of your report. This is a really important paragraph. This is where you acknowledge human fallibility. We all make mistakes. And you may not immediately know of a mistake that was made during the lab, but I think you can probably identify places where you might have made a mistake and might not know it. This section of the report is so important that it's evaluated as present or absent. If you're able to come up with challenges you encountered while completing the lab, you're going to automatically receive full credit. If you write that you didn't have any challenges or can't think of any sources of error, you're not going to receive credit for it. So you need to come up with something. For labs 1 and 4, these are virtual labs. And in the lab, paragraphs are provided for you that you can literally cut and paste, copy paste directly into this space in your lab report. You don't need to change them in any way. This is a rare instance where you're allowed to more or less plagiarize. That is because the main sources of error in the virtual labs come into the process of creating them and the data used to do so, not actually doing the labs that are virtual, and everybody's going to get the same outcome. But with the hands-on labs, there's plenty of room for sources of error. So those labs, weeks 2, 3, and 5, you're going to need to complete this section yourself.